Twin Cities Adventures here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sea salt ice cream. Take a close look at that. This is going to be so good. It is the most amazing ice cream you'll ever have. First you need 2 eggs, so you're going to have to separate those into 2 bowls. So I have the egg whites in here and the egg yolks in here. We're going to set that aside, and we're going to take a mixer, and I'm going to mix this up until it's nice and frothy. Okay, so that took about a minute, so we're just going to set that aside for a moment. I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar to the egg yolks, and then we're going to mix that up. There we go. Now over the stovetop, we're going to add 2 cups of milk to the pot, and we're going to bring that to a steam. Not a boil, so you're just gonna warm that till it just barely starts to steam. All right, so there's steam coming out of here now. See that steam come out? Now we're gonna add the sugar and egg yolk mixture. And we're gonna mix that right in the pot. So the whole time you're going to want to keep this on medium heat. Now that that's all mixed in, we're just going to let that warm up, and we're going to stir that until it's a thicker custardy consistency. Okay, that's been lightly simmering for a few minutes. It's thickened up a bit. So now I'm going to turn the heat off. Now here's our whipped egg whites, so I'm just going to pour that in and give that a good mix. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give that a little blend. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Give that a little mix. And now here comes the sea salt. You're going to want to use 1 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. So I'll throw that in, and then we'll give that a good mix. Now it's time for the food coloring. We're going to start with green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now to that we'll add blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So here's our final product before we turn it into ice cream. So now you can pour that into popsicle molds like they have in Kingdom Hearts 2 game, or you can pour it into an ice cream maker like I'm gonna do right here. See you in a little bit. Okay, literally 15 minutes after I put it in the ice cream machine, look at that. Set that aside. Go ahead and take a taste test of that, Samuel.
That is delicious. Unlike any ice cream I've ever had.
Franklin, go for it. It's really good. Here goes. That is perfect. Everything about it, it's just perfect. Okay, now I just poured it into this 8x8 glass pan, and I'm gonna keep that in the freezer, or you can just eat the whole thing up right now. How's it going, Samuel?
It's delicious.
All right, so we'll just keep it like this, and then we'll eat some after dinner, and we'll store it in the freezer. If you wanna make a larger recipe, double or triple it, because this is gonna be probably good for like 4 people. Take a close look at that. This is gonna be so good. It is the most amazing ice cream you'll ever have.